Oh, excuse me. Just wanted to share with you a thought for the end of the week. Now, have you ever been in a situation where you've been trying out something new and it hasn't quite gone the way you hoped it would? And it's been one of those sort of one step forward, two steps back situations. My experience of working with people and also of myself is that as an adult, when we try and learn a new skill, we try and master a new skill, we go out to do so, we don't get it right first time and then get very frustrated with ourselves and start all this negative self-talk, you're not good enough, Now, that's been me this week with Eventbrite. I've been setting up, I have set up a one-day intensive, which I'm running next Saturday in Perth. And I didn't quite get Eventbrite worked. So I was getting all sorts of negative talk in my head about, I'm no good, I can't do this, I'm no good with tech, And then I stopped to think about it in terms of, it's a new skill, it's going to be clunky, I've got to think about this. It's the conscious awareness of what I've actually got to do and the steps to go through it. And I was working with somebody this morning, able to talk them through a new experience on tech as it happened. And they had to write it down and then rehearse it out loud and then practice it in reality. So the reason I'm saying about this is because when I was going to the city this afternoon to work with a client, I'm standing at a pedestrian crossing, waiting for the lights to change. And then as the lights changed, everybody standing there, absolutely everybody, before they moved forward, moved back before taking that step forward, as though they're balanced because they're standing on both legs. In order to move forward, they had to lean back and then go forward. Does this make sense to you? Think about it from your own experience. You're standing still and you move forward, but you go back first. So in order to get momentum to go forward, there's a backwards movement first. Think about this in terms of learning a new skill. Think about this in terms of one step forward, two steps back, or rather the other way around. You're going to take steps forward and back until you get it mastered. So my thought for today at the end of the week is be gentle with yourself if you are learning a new skill, something that you are mastering. You don't know what you're doing. Why should you get it all right first time? So a bit of gentleness, a bit of self-compassion, and the internal talk, the internal communication with yourself is maybe on a lighter level that I didn't quite go according to plan. What do I need to change up for next time? How can I make this better next time? Have a think about it. Let me know your thoughts. Night night.